Zoho CRM claims to be the perfect solution for small businesses looking to manage customer relationships without breaking the bank. But with over 250,000 companies already using it worldwide, is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. Before we start, make sure to subscribe, and if you decide to go for it, make sure you use my link in the description below. Let's get started. Zoho CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management platform designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. It's essentially a no-code application builder that helps you decide leads, contacts, deals, and automate your entire sales process from one central dashboard. The standout features include lead management with automatic lead scoring, workflow automation for follow-ups and email responses, customizable sales pipelines, and drag-and-drop functionality, and Zia, their AI-powered assistant that analyzes customer behavior and suggests optimal follow-up times. You also get email integration with Gmail and Outlook, mobile apps with phone overlay functionality, custom forms, calendar booking, extensive customization options, including custom fields, modules, and blueprints for process enforcement. Zoho offers a free edition for up to 3 users with essentials like leads, documents, and mobile apps, perfect for home businesses. The paid plans start with standard at $20 per user per month, including mass email, custom modules, workflows, and cadences. Professional is $35 per user per month, adding blueprints, CPQ, and inventory management. Enterprise at $50 per user per month, marked as most popular, includes comprehensive AI, territory management, custom functions. Ultimate is $65 per user per month with enhanced feature limits and advanced customization. There's also a team users option at $11 per user per month for various teams contributing to sales cycles. All prices are billed monthly with up to 34% savings available on yearly plans. Pros: incredibly budget-friendly pricing, extensive customization and automation capabilities, comprehensive all-in-one business platform approach, and strong mobile app with unique phone overlay features. Cons: steep learning curve with information overload from too many options, slower email sync setup up to 12 hours, and the interface can feel cluttered with multiple navigation layers, making it overwhelming for users who prefer simplicity. So in conclusion, Zoho CRM is better for small businesses that want an affordable, highly customizable platform and have the patience to invest time in setup and configuration. It's perfect if you're looking for an all-in-one business solution and want to reduce multiple software subscriptions. However, if you need something that works immediately out of the box for a sales team that needs to operate today, you might want to consider simpler alternatives. Are you ready to transform your small business operations? Make sure to use my link in the description below to get started with Zoho CRM. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more business software reviews. Thanks for watching.